Your thoughts on the rules as it pertains to, players, losing their cool, injuring other people on the court area, stuff like that.
It was one of the male officials that got
One
struck.
of the male officials.
Yeah, Mr. Plummer. He was called in the center service line. And what happened on set point, they were playing a tiebreaker, which was very close. Tensions were high. I think the Estonia player felt maybe he got some claws blown along the way, and he just exploded on set point, threw his racket back flagrantly. And under the rules, when you do that, if it just went in the back fence, it's one thing, but it struck the official and it's an immediate default when that happens. There's no discretion. It is a one-time thing, and that's the rules of tennis. Unfortunate way to win, but that's how it goes. I think the fella might even have been cut the official and his foot with the force the racket came back. So the referee saw it and instructed the umpire to call an immediate default.
And for someone who's been around, you've officiated junior tennis a lot. There are a lot of young players who are looking on watching this match. Clearly, it sent a very strong signal to them.
Absolutely. This is a lesson learned, and I think it's a bitter one for the Estonia team itself. They are very dejected, and it's a hell of a way to lose because they clearly were in the match. It was a close match with Blaze, and hopefully a lot of our juniors were watching, and they'll see the consequences when you do something as flagrant as that.